uh, there are websites where we get information about foreign institutions and university institutions. Harshil, are you a student in Marwadi? Harshil asked the question about getting information. Yes, in Harshil, in that case, I would recommend that you, whenever you come to our campus, you can meet our international office. You know that international office will not only give you the best universities for best courses, like what are your course and what are the countries and universities matching. They are expert in it, so they'll definitely guide you. Nevertheless, you can ask yourself that if you are a graduate and you want to go for postgraduate, what are the courses that you're targeting, and then what are the countries that are offering such courses, and then what are the institutions that are offering those courses. Then you will have to do your self study that, okay, in that country, that institution, this is the fees. Is there a scholarship available? If yes, then I can go for it. And even after going for this scholarship, can I afford it? Right? Because the foreign universities fees would be very high. All of us may not be able to afford it. So check that economic background also. So after doing all this homework, you can target. And the best would be that you do it yourself for your course and your, say, country that you are targeting. Accordingly, you can choose the country and the course, right? So that's that. Now, because of this pandemic, you again have to add one more filter, that which are the countries that could stand against the coronavirus well. Because if you go to such countries, colder countries suffered more in this virus. It's not the countries like India did not, but comparatively they say faced it in a tough way. So that also should be one of the consideration that you have to keep before selecting a country and a university. So that's what I would suggest. Nevertheless, you can ask discipline wise, it would vary, right? So ask Google, it will tell you the fraternities, the journals, and the best would be your department. Let's say you're from mechanical engineering, ask your faculties which are the best institutions for studying, say abroad, for let's say mechanical engineering master degree. And I'm sure they'll have some opinion, and that you can say go for the course that you should go for. Right, Harshil? So that is what I can think of. And please don't depend on opinions by people like me also. For example, I am a big fan of X country and X institution, then I'll recommend that only, which may or may not suit your requirement. So that's why you better do your self-check and try and find out, which I'm sure will help. Right? Okay, so now, okay, Ron.